Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Rams 2009 to 2018 1500 and 2019 to 24 1500 Classic. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove your vehicle's wheel, coil spring, and track bar from the work area, and remove any lines or power harnesses that may be in the way. Our part features perforated plates that, when removed, allow the part to install around the nearby sway bar crossmember, sway bar link, track bar bracket, and coil spring bucket. If you do not intend on replacing these parts, remove the correlating plates from the frame section. Additionally, after removing certain plates, nearby flanges may need to be temporarily bent to fit on the frame. C-clamping the section to the frame rail will help correct this modification. If you are not replacing these suspension parts, but want to retain as much of the overaxle section as possible, you will have to carefully remove the factory parts while limiting damage to them so that they can be reinstalled later. Step 3. Hold the part up to the frame and take note of its coverage. Measure 3/4 of an inch from the bottom of the frame and mark off your cut line. Begin cutting away the bottom of the frame rail, followed by grinding the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Coat the work area with a well-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 4. Push the part onto the frame while using the frame holes and curves to help with alignment. Secure the part with C-clamps and tack weld the part to the frame before fully welding it around all edges. If you remove your suspension parts, or are replacing them, reinstall them at this time. Coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Finally, reinstall your suspension and wheel, and you're done.